everyone. Welcome back, welcome back. I am on the road right now. It's Thursday, January 7th. It's been 2 days since the last time I rode my bike. For mountain bikers, they'll understand 2 days of not riding is 2 days too long. So I was planning to ride Heartland again, but the combination of the weather, it keeps changing all day, and the time I have, I couldn't fit it in. So I decided to just do a little bit of a trail cross-country riding, we're going to call it. So we're gonna go to Thetis Lake. So it's a good trail riding. It's a connection of 3 different trails. Basically 1 kilometer each. Pretty okay. It's one way and back. So it's 3 kilometers in total. And one of the trailheads is just in my neighborhood here. That's where we're going right now. About 2 or 3 kilometers from my place. As you can see, you'll notice it from the handlebars. It's not my mountain bike. This is my son's Hardtail mountain bike. I've been on that trail before, portions of it, not the full one. It's a little gloomy. It's about 3:40 p.m. So hopefully still make it before the sun goes down. All right, here we go. No biking, so I'm gonna dismount and cheat because there's a view up there. Let's go take a look. So that's south end of Thetis Lake. It's beautiful. Might not look that amazing in this video, but if you're out here, it's nice. Like this lake is a well-known lake here in town. Everybody goes here in summer, they'll hang out here, swim, and yet every time I still go out here, it still looks great. It still amazes me. Still a lot of great places out there. I'm gonna go out, look for it. Just wait.